Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website where you want to sell tickets. From your site dashboard, look for the area that manages your store. Open Products and Services to access your commerce tools. This is where all of your sellable items live, and it's the hub you'll use to create and manage tickets. Next, open Products. You'll see a list of any items you already sell. To create a new ticket, select Add Product in the top right corner. This starts a fresh product entry and lets you define all the details your customers will see at checkout. When prompted to choose a product type, select Service. For event tickets, Service is ideal because there's nothing to ship and customers receive a confirmation rather than a physical item. It keeps checkout simple and avoids shipping settings that aren't relevant for events. Add a clear descriptive product name. Include your event title and, if helpful, the date or location to reduce confusion. For example, Summer Concert, June 21st. This helps customers quickly confirm they're buying the right ticket. Enter your price. Use the standard price field for your ticket cost. If you plan to run a discount or early bird promotion later, you can use the sale price option when needed. Be sure the price reflects the full cost you want customers to see at checkout and double check your currency. Now complete the remaining details. In the description, clearly list the event date, start time, venue, or meeting link, what's included with the ticket, and any important policies such as refunds or transfer options. Add a strong featured image, like your event poster or venue photo, to make the ticket stand out on your site. Use categories and tags so tickets are easy to find. If you offer multiple ticket types, such as general admission and VIP, create variants with distinct names and prices so customers can choose the right option. If you need attendee information, add a product form with fields like attendee name and email. This ensures you collect the details you'll need for check-in or confirmations without extra back and forth. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. Your new event ticket is now stored in your products area, ready to use. You can return anytime to edit the name, price, description, images, variants, or form fields as plans evolve. That's it. Your Squarespace site is set up to sell event tickets using a clean, customer-friendly product page.